I like there is like a mixture, like there is not like one discipline or one philosophy or just one way of doing things. And I really like that it just keeps on interchanging all of these things, like the discipline, like between what is flow movement, what is acrobatics, what is handstand, what is capoeira, what is between laughter and joy, and as well discipline. I like that a lot. Like it's just a mixture between everything, and I think that makes like the experience of being with my colleagues, knowing that they were like with very different levels. It is always a challenge. I find it myself as a teacher is always a challenge because the best thing is like, hey, everybody is kind of the same, kinda, no? Like their own personalities, but everything is like super motivating and stuff. And as a teacher, I feel like we want like the students ask and gets and projects and do stuff like that. And sometimes when it's like very different levels, it's very difficult to just connect. And I was a little bit not afraid but nervous about my friends as well, because their level or their experience with their own body is very different. And I think it was amazing. Like I think like everybody got their own experience, even myself, and I took it as a gift for myself. Like it is definitely the moment that is like I need to be with people that I can play and learn and that they can correct and they can push me a little bit to do things that normally I would just do just the right side, no? And not the wrong side, I mean the left side. No, I love left. So the experience was really nice, and as well like it makes us as a group to find different ways and having different experiences, not only in the workplace, but as well in the training and in the learning and the process. And I like that a lot. Like when I'm in the office, I'm the one that know less, no? And they help me a lot. But now when we're in the space, now I can help, and they go like, "Oh, you are good," and like, "Yes, I'm good at something." Yes, I'm not that good all the time. Yes, so I think like everybody finds their way and how to collaborate and how to help each other, and that I really like. And for sure, like the philosophy of balance is it's so important. So important to understand what is actually balance. No, that is not fixed. That is it is so minimal, and it's so if you're aware or not, and if you allow it to happen or not, and if you're just stiff, then it doesn't work, and if you're too loose, then it's not working either. So I really like the philosophy with the class, with whatever movement or exercise we're doing, and finding all these spots. And I think you do it really well.
Thank you.
Very, very, very well.